I'm fast as fuck, boy. There we go. Hooked up. Nice carp. Nice carp. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Don't go to those lilies now. What? What? Let's go. Get over here.
Get over here!
Get him so tired on that light tackle. Whew. Here we go. About to bank him. Another heavy Texas carp, baby. Let's go. Another one.
Another one.
Where y'all at? Nice little grass carp. Check him out, baby. He's probably at least 20 inches at least, bro. And then definitely like all of 5 pounds for sure. But this is a nice carp right here. Let's get him back. Nice head first release. Nah, we're gonna.
Are you sure about that?
We're not gonna toss him. I can't toss him.